welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is one of my personal favorites, and this is for all the chicken lovers. We're going to make this delicious and spicy fried chicken. I can't wait to share this recipe. Let's get started and check it out. So for this recipe, I've taken 6 chicken leg pieces. Make sure you wash the chicken pieces nice and clean. I'm just going to make a few slits on the chicken pieces. So next we need to marinate the chicken pieces. First I'm going to add the whisked egg. Crack open an egg and whisk it gently. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. So now I'm going to rub in all those beautiful spice powders into the chicken legs. So these slits on the chicken legs will help the chicken pieces absorb all those beautiful flavors. Once you've rubbed in the pieces with all that nice masala, so we need to marinate the chicken pieces for about 30 minutes. To coat the chicken pieces, I'm going to make a flour mixture. For this, to the bowl, I'm adding 1 bowl of all-purpose flour, that is Maida. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Give it a quick mix. I'm just using a whisk, it's easier this way. Seasoning the flour will make the chicken pieces a lot more tastier when you bite into them. Transfer the mixed flour to a plate so it will be easy to coat the pieces. Place the marinated chicken leg on the flour mixture. Coat all sides with the flour. Make sure the leg piece is completely coated. Now gently drop it into the hot oil. I'm deep frying a set of 2. Maintain the heat on medium-low throughout. And deep fry these leg pieces for at least about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can take the pieces out. Look at that gorgeous and beautiful color on those leg pieces. Wow, it's fried to perfection. It's got that lovely rich brown color. You can deep fry the legs in batches and enjoy them nice and hot. The chicken fry looks amazing and I can't wait to bite into it. Be honest, how many of these chicken pieces can you finish? Let me know in the comment section. Oh my god. It's so juicy and so much of flavor. Unbelievable. I can easily have about 3. I'm very hungry. Incredible flavors. Try this ASAP. You don't want to miss it. This particular fried chicken recipe is my son's idea. He wanted me to try it with all those beautiful Indian flavors and spices. It's turned out great. Well, I really enjoyed it. I'm going to have 2 more of those leg pieces right after the shoot. So make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. Enjoy it while it's still hot. I've served it with some nice ketchup and spicy mayo by the side, but you can eat it as is. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.